Alright, so I don't know about you, but the front valance here is kind of plain. I don't like it. So I want to change it up a little bit. So I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to try and modify it. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so what I have here is a Valance from it's a Toyota pickup Valance. I kind of picked this because I kind of like how the front here is. Kind of flares out a little bit. So yeah, I just got it off Amazon. It's a cheap brand. You can tell with so many like cheap, you can tell it's cheaply made just by all these bends. It's like a lot of sharp edges, all bent up already. You can see that, but it's okay because I'm gonna cut it up anyway. So so the plan is to chop it up and make it fit. So see how it turns out. Hopefully it comes out all right at least. Alright, first thing we're going to do is remove that bumper and that valance. So let's get it done. Yes, we have a dust storm, so it's very windy. Alright, so obviously you can tell it's way bigger than the original. Even like a width from there to there. So what I'm going to do, see, it's a better picture. Like from there, all the way to that side. So pretty much gonna chop. I'll probably chop off the middle here somewhere, bring it in, and then try to bring that in like that where it's even. And let's see, obviously I need to cut this side here because the Toyota one is longer than the original. So just gonna, like I said, just chop away and make it fit. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I just cut off the ends because I needed to actually be short enough to measure. But with that, at least now I can kind of focus on where I need to like bend it in certain areas. I mean, obviously this is more straight versus the original is more curved. So yeah, let me figure that out and how am I gonna put this together. So stand by. Alright, there's no turning back. After I cut this, done deal. Can't use this anymore. Gotta go with what I'm doing now. So but I think it'll turn out good. It's better than this one. Yeah. Kinda a glimpse of how it's gonna look. I think it looks okay, but we'll see. So it is sitting right now. So this is what's left of the original piece, and it's too flimsy. Matter of fact, it broke. So what I'm doing now is I'm just using this piece and I'm just making another one, just kind of copied the original. So it's a little bit more thicker and be more sturdy. So but yeah, this is not gonna work. Hey, and then on the bumper side, or valance, this is what's left. I end up cutting this piece out because it was not working. I couldn't form it to what I need it to be, and it was just getting in the way of some other stuff that's on the truck. So yeah, cut that out. Don't need this anymore. This is all I'm working with now, this little piece. But I think it'll still turn out good. So all right, so to tackle this end, I cut up the original piece and I'm just going to try to massage this some way to fit like that. Kind of looks good already, but yeah, I'm just gonna tack them in place and try to manipulate it to fit perfect and have some body work going on, but at least it'll kind of look better, I hope. Oh, stand by. Well, it didn't turn out perfect, but it's gonna sit the way it is right now. I guess I overcut it. I don't know, but those are just minor patches. It looks good. It looks good from up here. Now to this side. So hopefully I don't mess this one up. Alright, so that's how it sits. Still got more work to do, but let's see. At least it's looking like a bumper again. See, you cannot see it, but yep, it's getting there. More weldings and then bondo and good to go. Right, got some primer on there, some primer filler. I know there's imperfections, but like that, whatever. It's not a perfect truck right now, so like right there. I don't know if you can see it, but still looks good overall. Show some black on there, champ. There it is, folks. So done. Turned out good. Just have to chop it, massage it, manipulate it, grind it, cut it, all that good stuff. But yeah, it is good enough. Good enough. It's not fancy, but it'll work. Look at it. Oh yeah. I think it looks way better than it did before. I like it. Alright, so what do you think? I think I did a good job. Doesn't really show any of the imperfections. But maybe the color's not the same, but well, go shell. It looks good overall. Oh yeah. Alright, see what's next. Stand by. Alright, y'all. Thanks again for tuning in. Appreciate the support. Let me know what you think about Valance. Until next time, peace.